This is Build Your Own Notepad using Python Part 3. In this video, we are going to add the print functionality to our Q Notepad. Excited? So let's get started. So guys, we are in our computer screen right now. This is the code we have written in our previous video. Today, we are going to create the print action and we are going to make it working. So just write here print action equals to Q action, and as usual just write here print, the name to be displayed, and then self. So we need the same lines as in our new file action, so I'm just copying these lines by pressing Ctrl+C, and after that pasting these lines by pressing Ctrl+V, which is the shortcut key for paste. Now I want to change this new file to print. So we are going to work on multiple cursors. To work on multiple cursors in VS Code, you need to press the Alt key, which is the shortcut key for this. So pressing the Alt key, you can use multiple cursors to edit your code like this. This line we have written, okay, no problem. So we are done with it. Now let me just change this status tip here and convert it to print like this. Now we are going to make it working. So just create a method print self colons and then create a dialog box. Now how to create a dialog box? To create a dialog box, you need to create a variable first. Our variable name is DLG, and let me just say you that we need a print dialog box. So Q print dialog, we need the print dialog box, then parenthesis, then after that if this line is executed, if DLG dot executed, and then colons, after that you need to type here self.editor, then .print. Here you need to specify the printer, so dlg.printer. Our printer is dlg.printer. So we have done it. Let me just run this code. So now we are in our Q Notepad. So let me just click on this file menu, and now you can see two actions, new and print. Let me just click on this print action. Let's see what happens. So you can see we are here with the print dialog box, and if you click on this print icon, you can print all the text written in this text file. Okay. Now just think for an instance that any error comes. It will crash, right? So we need to give certain information to the user that this error has come, that is why it has crashed. So this cool stuff we are going to do in our next video. So to see that video, click on the video on the left, and to automate Google Meet using Python, click on the video on the right.